Hey guys, I wanted to come on here and give you some hairstyles that you can do with your micro lock. Cute styles in your locks, even if they aren't exactly long and luxurious. We will get there, okay? But for all of my people who are on the middle and the small sections of life, we will go ahead and just do what we do and rock what we got. First, I want to show you like all of the cute things that you might, well, all of the accessories that you may need, things you may need to keep your locks in order. These hair ties. Make sure you have a lot of these. Just some cute styles or things that you might want to do with your hair. Braid downs when you have to wash your hair. You may have to twist them at the end. You need hair ties. Also, bobby pins. Get some bobby pins. Make sure that you have bobby pins to hold everything in place. I also have like these hair snaps that you can put in your hair to kind of hold things in. This one says dream because Martin had a dream. And you should keep a dream and make sure that, you pursue your dreams. Right? That's what we got to do, y'all. All right. So then we have some hair accessories. Super cute. You can add these to your wardrobe and go. And this is the little top bun that you can put in your hair and get up and go. I just like to let it down. I can't really give too many styles because I haven't really done many styles with my locks. This is how I've been rocking it. But getting styles is obtain a video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Please smash the like button. Show your friends. Do a repost and all that good jazz. And hit me up in the comments. What styles do you like to do in your micro locks, or has this given you a push to go ahead and style your locks a little bit? and show me some pictures. Hit me up on Instagram at Yo Self Care Mama so we could exchange like styles and stuff. I might do a second part to this video. So hit me up. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching, and have a marvelous day. Bye.